When people hear that our Milky Way galaxy will collide with Andromeda, they often imagine a terrifying scene. Billions of stars crashing into each other, planet destroyed, and everything burning in chaos. But that's not how the universe works. Yes, the two galaxies will collide in about 4 billion years from now. That part is true. But even when they do, almost no stars will actually hit each other. You see, galaxies are mostly made of empty space. Even though the Milky Way has around billion stars and Andromeda has over a trillion, the space between these stars is huge. If we imagine the Sun as a small coin, the next nearest star, Proxima Centauri, would be another coin placed about 700 kilometers away. That's how far apart stars are, scattered in enormous emptiness. Because of this incredible distance, the probability of two stars colliding during Milky Way and Andromeda crash is about 1 in a billion. And for planets, the chance is even smaller, maybe 1 in a trillion or less. It's almost impossible. So when these two galaxies finally meet, they will mostly pass through one another like ghosts. Their stars will move, their shape will distort, but the stars themselves won't smash into each other. The reason is simple. Space is mostly empty. Each star may look close when you see a galaxy in pictures, but in reality, there's so much space between them that the collisions are nearly non-existent. So no, when Andromeda and the Milky Way collide, the stars will not crash. They will simply drift past each other peacefully in the vast silence of space.